Hi guys, welcome to another product focus. What we're going to be focusing on today is the new T.O.P Spin Dripper Kits from G.A.S. In the box is everything you need. I'm going to open it up on my desk and I'm going to show you everything about the kit. So let me tell you what's inside the box. Depending what kit you've chosen, you either get a 3,500 litre pump or a 7,000 litre pump. What this 3,500 litre pump will do will run up to 6 top spin dripper heads, and the 7,000 will run up to 20. In the kit, what you get the complete DIG dripper head in a bag. Really easy to use. We've done another video, if you look back on YouTube, explaining how the DIG top spin dripper heads work. Really phenomenal dripper kit in my opinion. So for the 24 to 48 pot kit, you will get 3 DIG dripper kits with T's and 1 with an elbow. That's so that literally you can come out of the pump, up the pipe, bypass the anti-siphon valve, down through a filter, along the pipe work. The first one's a T, elbow as your stop end. This is the pipe what comes in the kit. It's the IWS braided pipe, really good high quality anti-kink pipe. And obviously inside the box you either get the 3,500 litre pump for the 16mm version up to 6 fittings, or you get the bigger pump which has 20 fittings on there, and this is 7,000 litre and 25mm IWS pipe again. Fittings on the DIGs when you're using 7,000 are 25mm, and the fittings on the 16mm are obviously 16mm. We've been asked for this kit numerous times. We've been selling spares with the DIG top spins for ages. People have asked can we make it easier so you can basically pick and just ship a box. So that's what we've done. Multiple kits, multiple boxes, whichever you want, we've got it. If you want any more information, jump on the G.A.S website. All the codes are on there. Cheers guys.